Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our today's class, we will be solving some of the inequalities and also graphing them on a number line. So let's just move towards the very first inequality that we have. So that is 27 is less than or equivalent to 7x plus 6. Alright. So for this one, what is the first thing that we will do? We will be subtracting 6 on both sides, right? So 27 minus 6 is less than or equivalent to 7x plus 6 minus 6, right? So if I subtract 27 minus 6, I will get 21 in return. So 21 is less than or equivalent to 7x, right? After that, what is the second thing that I will do? I will divide both sides with the 7 because I need to get this x. So I will get 3 is less than or equivalent to x for this one. And as we need to rearrange it, so we always write inequality and we always write variable on the left side of the inequality, right? So it can be represented as x is greater than or equivalent to 3 as well. So this is going to be our final answer for this inequality. So as we can see, 3 is actually over here. So I will put a closed circle on this and this will be pointing in this direction. Alright, let's just move towards the second question that we have. For this one, I have x plus 5 and minus 3 is greater than that x plus 5, right? So for this one, what is the first thing that we will do? We will subtract 5 on both sides. So it will get me plus 5 minus 5, right? So now minus 8 is greater than x. And if I rearrange it, it can be represented as x is less than minus 8, right? So now let's just go ahead and graph it real quick. So minus 8 is at this place. I will put an open circle on it and it will be pointing in this direction. So now let's just move towards the third question over here. Alright, so for the question number 3, as we can see over here, I need to distribute this 7, right? So it will be distributed like this way, and I will get 70 is less than or equivalent to minus 70, alright, plus 7b. So the first thing that I will do, I will add 70 on both sides because I need to eliminate this 70, right? And I need to get this b. So 70 plus 70 is less than or equivalent to minus 70 plus 70 plus 7b. So they will cancel out and I will get 140 is less than or equivalent to 7b. And after that I will divide both sides with the 7 because I need to get this b. So for this, what I will do, I will divide both sides with the 7 that way. So this 7 will cancel out with this 7, right? And if I divide 140 with the 7, I will get 20, okay? So 20 is less than or equivalent to b. And now, as I already told you that we always write variable on the left side of inequality, so it can also be represented as b is greater than or equivalent to 20, okay? So here I have 20, I will put a closed circle on it and it will be pointing in this direction. It's a closed circle. So now let's just move towards the fourth question real quick. For this one, I need to get this x, so I will eliminate this 10 first. So x over 2 minus 10, I will add 10 on both sides so that it gets eliminated. Plus 10, so it will get x over 2 less than or equivalent to 12, right? And now I will multiply both sides with this 2 so I can get this x. So x is, like this 2 will cancel out with this 2, okay? Is less than or equivalent to 24. So now let me just graph it real quick. Here we have 24 over here, so I will put a closed circle on it and this closed circle will be pointing in this direction because x is less than or equivalent to 24. Now I'm going to be moving towards the fifth question real quick. For this one, as I need to get the p, so I will multiply both sides with the 22 first. So minus 1 getting multiplied with this 22 is less than minus 8 plus p divided by 20 getting multiplied with the 20 again. So minus 8 plus p. So minus 8 plus p divided by 22 getting multiplied with the 22. So this 22 will cancel out with this 22, okay? And I will get minus 22 is less than minus 8 plus p. Now in order to further solve it, I will add 8 on both sides. Minus 22 plus 8 is less than minus 8 plus 8 plus p. Alright? So minus 22 plus 8 is equivalent to minus 14. That is less than p. And if I write variable on the left side of inequality, it can be represented as p is greater than negative 14. Alright? So negative 14 is at this place. I will put an open circle on it and it will be pointing in this direction. Alright? Let me just move towards the sixth question real quick. So for this one, what I will do, I will multiply both sides with the 5 because I need to get this s. I will multiply with the 5 real quick. By this way I will get minus 10 is less than or equivalent to minus 6 plus s, because this 5 will cancel out with this 5. Alright, so now what I will do, I have this negative 6, so I will add 6 on both sides. Minus 6 plus s. Alright, this will cancel out together, and I will get minus 4 is less than or equivalent to s, and it can also be represented as s is greater than or equivalent to negative 4. Alright, so now let's just go ahead and graph it. Negative 4 is over here. I'll put a closed circle on it, and it will be pointing in this direction. Now we have these last two questions remaining, so let me just quickly go ahead and solve them as well. And you can also do one more thing. You can just like stop the video lesson over here, solve these questions by yourself, and then you can compare your answers with my answers in the ending. Alright, so now I'm just going to be solving this one now. I will be adding 14 on the both sides. P over 8 is greater than or equivalent to minus 18 plus 14. Okay, so this will cancel out, and I will get P over 8 is greater than or equivalent to minus 4. After that I will multiply both sides with the 8 because I need to get this one eliminated. So P is greater than or equivalent to 4 times 8 is 32, so minus 32 will be the answer for this one. Alright, so now where's minus 32? Here's minus 32. I'll put a closed circle on it, and it will be pointing in this direction. After that I have question number 8 with me, and I need to solve this one real quick. So in order to get this x, the first thing that I will do, I will multiply with this 2 on both sides. Alright, and it will become 8 is less than x minus 2, because this 2 will get cancelled out with this 2. Alright, after that what I will do, I will add 2 on both sides. Alright, because I need to get this negative 2 cancelled. They will cancel out, and I will get 10 is less than x, and it can also be represented as x is greater than 10. This is the answer for this inequality that I've got, and if I need to graph it, I will graph it like that way. Open circle on 10, and it will be pointing in this direction. So this is all from our today's class. I hope you understood the lesson. I hope you got the correct answers for these last two questions. If you got the correct answer, please put it into the comment section, and I will make sure to reply you. For more video lessons, I will be requesting you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video as well. We'll see you in our next video lesson. Bye for now. For